Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is an exciting one. I'm going to be showing you some holiday kits from the drugstore, and today's is going to be specifically on LA Colors. They not only sent me the products, but they're also sponsoring the video, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to show you all of the kits that they'll have at CVS, as well as some quick little demos, because I did already create looks using both of their eyeshadow palettes. And by the way, all of these are $5 each, and we got to get through a few of these. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the look that I'm wearing right now, and I'm actually using the eyeshadow palette called the Nude Eyes, and this is not how it looks. The way that it looks is like this. It comes opened and you can see all of the shades that are inside. So this is the palette right here, and it is just a plastic with the pans on there. The actual palette will stay inside of the tin, the little tin container. And this one has more of the warm tones in there, like a ton of them. Very orangey ones. Like the one that I'm wearing right now, I thought it was going to be a little bit more brown, but no, it actually showed up really orangey. And it's this one that's up here. That's the one that I have from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner before I did my cut crease. And then below that one, I applied this one that's a little bit more pinky, but it's still like an orangey pink. So it's this one right here, and this one I applied it on the crease area and kind of blended it towards the bottom, a tiny bit to the top, but I mainly concentrated that shade on the bottom, and then I blended them out. And then I did my cut crease and I applied a very light shade. I wanted a shimmery shade on the inner part of the cut crease, so I used the top one, which is very shimmery. I didn't apply anything on the brush, but I did have a little bit concealer left over on the brush, so it made it a little easier to apply because it was a little sticky. And then I applied the color, which one's the next one? Oh yeah, this one right here, which looks like a very green gold. It's like a dirty gold. I don't know, but that's the one I wanted to use because whenever I saw the palette, I was like, yep, that's a color that I want to try. That's the one that I have on the middle of the cut crease area, like on the middle towards the outside. And then on the outside, I did use this dark brown one right there. All of these shades gave me a little bit of fallout, but the one that gave me the most is the brown one that I applied on the outer corner. That's whenever I noticed that I did have a lot. I don't know if it was because it was dark brown, but I did notice it. And then on the lower lash line, I only applied the orange one that's in there. I blended it into my eyeliner, and that is how I created this look. So I used 5 shades today, and these are all from this palette right here. And I really like the way that the look turned out, but just know that, like I said, it does have fallout. It's $5 from the drugstore. If you take your time, you make it work, it will. Like, look at this look. I really like the way that it turned out. So this one is the neutral tone one, and now I'm going to show you the bold eyes. That's the one that I used first because that one I was like the most excited about. It has very pretty colorful shades in here. You get some greens, some teals, and I just put it back together so I can really show you the way that the palette looks. So this one was the first one that I was like, yep, this is the one I want to create a look with. Specifically the teal shades in here because they look really pretty. So let me show you how. You just take this off. It comes with this little plastic rose gold thing in there. It's just like a little piece of paper, so I just took it off. Like I said, the ones that I really wanted to use were the teal ones. So the first color that I used is the matte teal shade, which is more like a dark green, but on the eyes it does look a little bit more teal. You'll see it. I applied that one all over the crease area, kind of like the way I did the orange one today, and I just blended it out towards the top and just went over it until I liked the intensity of how it looked. And then I immediately did my cut crease. I didn't apply a second shade or anything. I did the cut crease and I applied the silver shade. That's the one that I used on the inner corner. And then on the center of the cut crease, I used the silver shade right there. And I was going to apply that one all over and like finish it off like that, but I decided to go back into the matte shade and darken up the outer corner with like just to make it look a little bit more intense. And I applied that one on the outer corner and blended it into the shimmers that I already had there. And that is how that look turned out. I also applied my wing liner and some falsies, and that is how that one looked. On the lower lash line, I simply applied the green shade, and that's it. I didn't do anything else. So this one for sure is the palette that I would prefer, but I do like the other one. But this one is just colorful shades are more my thing. And plus you do get some browns in there, so you can still create your neutral looks, but you get the other colors in there to play with. Like I said, it's the same as the other one. It also has a little bit of fallout, but the end result on your eyes does look good. But just keep in mind that you will have to take that off whenever you're done. Alright, so I think I'll go ahead and just show you the nail polish kits. This one is the one that I am wearing today on my nails. Well, not the entire kit, but 2 of the shades in here. This one is called the Manny Nudes, and it's like the theme of like only nudes in here. So you get some sparkly pinks, some very neutral tones. Usually I have like very simple nails, and sometimes I go all out with like really bright colors. But these are shades that you can wear like with anything pretty much. They go with everything. The one that I'm wearing today is this one up here. It's a very light pink. And then I applied this one over here on 2 of my fingers, and then on this one I applied it on 2 of those fingers. So those are the ones that I'm wearing today, and then I just topped it with a clear coat. But you do get a whole bunch of different little lighter colors in here, and they're all mini little nail polishes, so you get 9 of those in each. And this one comes with burgundies and a lot of glitters. This one comes with silver glitter, pink glitter, gold glitter, and then you get some shimmers in here, plus this darker pink that's on the bottom. So this one, like I said, is called the Mani Classics. And these actually worked out great for me because I don't have any nail polishes. I only have one clear coat, and that is it. Usually I do my nails, but I've told you guys before, there's nothing close to us. It's like everything's super far, so I can't even go and do my nails. So I took them off because I really needed a refill, and I decided to just go ahead and paint them, which is great. I got to show you, you know, those 2 shades in there. And yeah, so I don't know how I'll take these off to redo them because I don't have any nail polish remover, but I'll worry about that when the time comes. So this next one is the Mani Metals, and this one comes with a whole bunch of shimmers, and I'm now more excited about this one because I really like the way that the shimmer looks on my nails. It is really opaque, and I did 2 coats of the shimmer, and then underneath the first coat that I did was this one, because I was first going to just do them all pink, and then I decided let me put some shimmer on there. But it does look really, really shimmery, so I'm excited, and I'm hoping that these are the same because the formula looks like it's pretty similar. It's like these small shimmer. It's not like big chunky glitters or anything. So this one comes with a whole bunch of different colors. You get green, pink, purple, you get a gold in there, and even some darker ones like these over here that look like silver darker ones. Oh, this one I haven't even opened. I thought I had opened it. Okay, so let me open it. Oh, there's also this one over here. There's also this one that's a little bit orangey over here, which actually looks pretty cute. So these are all the metallic ones. So if you know of someone who loves nail polishes or wants to try a little bit of shimmer, maybe this would be a pretty cool gift. So the last kits in here are all the lipstick that I'm wearing today is actually from this one. This one is called the Metallic Lip Shine, and this one is the one that I'm wearing today. I actually wanted to wear this one, but once I finished the look, I was like, no, it's too orange, and this one just looks a little too mauve pink for it, like mauve purplish for it, but it is really pretty. Let me go ahead and show you the swatches. So this one is the nudist one in here. This is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it's not completely opaque. It looks a little bit transparent, but it does look really pretty, and it does have some shimmer to it. It looks like if I was wearing kind of like a lip gloss, but it doesn't feel like a lip gloss at all. It is a little bit sticky, but it doesn't feel like a lip gloss at all. And then this next one is a very, very pretty one. It actually looks like my nails a little bit. And this one doesn't even look metallic at all. This one looks more like a matte, and this one was the one that I wanted to wear today. But I didn't because it didn't look that great with orange. It was just like, nope, it's too pink, right? And then this one, oh no, this is not the one. This one is a pink metallic shade. I'll show you the one that I was gonna try. This one is a darker pink, and let me swatch it there for you. Like I said, they don't look like super extra metallic, so it's a pretty wearable. As long as you like the shade, I think it's pretty wearable. It's not like it has a whole bunch of glitter in it. This one, I was going to try to wear it on the outer part of my lips, but then it looked way too pink, and it didn't go with the look again because I'm wearing like a very orangey look. So this one is the pink one. And then lastly is this pretty purple looking one, which is pretty intense. Like, it's not the color that you would wear every single day, but if you create a look with it, like around it, wear that one. Or I don't know, this one is the one that's a little bit more vibrant out of all of them, but they all look pretty cute, and they're not, like I said, super metallic. I think one of the shimmery ones, the most shimmery is the one that I'm wearing right now because it does look pretty shiny. But like I said, it doesn't feel like a lip gloss, like sticky. I think these are pretty wearable except for like that purple one. Like I said, maybe create a look around it, then you can use it because it is pretty intense. Like, it's very purple. All right, and then the last ones are the lip kits. This one is the rose lips, and honestly, these I thought they were gonna be like really rosy and neutral and like natural looking, because these are not like regular lipsticks that are gonna be like super intense on your lips and be super opaque, but these are more colorful. Like, they're called rose lips, but I'm thinking now like flowers because they were not like rosy neutral at all. So let me go ahead and take these out. They all come, well, the little ones, they all come in this tin packaging that you can reuse and do whatever you want with it. But let me take it out. Let me take it out. I wanted to put everything back in there so you can see how the original packaging looks. And since in the outside, I was like, okay, maybe that's like a hint of the color, like a little tint of it, but no, they actually show up. I mean, they're not, like I said, opaque, but they're still a little transparent, but you can see the color that they are. So let me go ahead and swatch this one. This one is the lightest one in here, and this one is called, well, they don't have a name, so I was gonna say this one's called something, but they don't have a name. So this one is like a mauve one, and this one actually looks a little bit like the, let me move the swatches underneath because I feel like it looks a little messy. So no, they don't have names, but this one looks, oh, I was saying, it looks a little bit like the one from the metallic kit. Oh, can we focus? Like I was saying, it looks a little bit like the metallic lipstick from the other kit. And let's go to the second lightest one. This one is the pink one. And like I said, you can really see them, but they're transparent. Like they're not completely opaque. We'll move on to the purple one. That one is the purple one. That is the purple one. Like I said, it's pretty dark. It's not like super opaque, but it's also not completely transparent. That one you'll really be able to see more on your lips. And then the next one, I'll swatch this one. I think it's a little bit more burgundy. Okay, this one is a burgundy one, and they are pretty smooth. That's how that one looks. A little bit darker, more of a burgundy. Yeah, kind of like the other one, but more red. And then this last one is a red one. Let me swatch it up here, or else you're not going to see it on the side. That one is the red one. So like I said, this one is the rose lip kit. And since those weren't neutral and rosy, I'm going to show you the ones that are. These are the nude lips. This one does have more of like the brown tones. But you do get two pinky ones in here. Since I don't have any nails, it just feels a little weird. Okay, so let me start off with the light one. We'll do the light nude ones and then the pink ones. So the first one is the lightest one. This one right here. It looks like a cool tone light brown. Oh, they're also not matte. They're like a regular lipstick formula, or like a not a chapstick, but like a lipstick, like a light lipstick type. And then this one is just a tad bit darker, or is it a lot darker? I don't remember because I swatched them yesterday. This one, yeah, this one is a little bit darker. And then the last two are kind of pink. This one is the light pink one. Looks very pretty. So these are the ones that you would think of like more natural looking. And then the last one, I'll swatch it right on top. There you go. That one is the last one from the kit, and that one is the last kit too. Alrighty guys, so these are all the kits I have to share with you today. Like I said, you can find them all at CVS. Once again, I do want to say thank you to LA Colors for sending me the kits and also sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches as well as the demos. Thank you so much for watching another one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.